Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create yourself as a futuristic 60s character on Snapchat. So if you want to see yourself how you look like in the future as a 60s character, then let me show you how to do this. So on Snapchat, you want to go ahead. So first you want to go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store, search for Snapchat and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and find the futuristic character. So there you go guys, this is how it looks like. Go ahead, take a picture of yourself, or you can basically upload one from your phone library. And once you're ready, go ahead and tap on screen. And this will change your face into someone in the future. So now once you're happy, it's created a video for you, a before and after. And now you can share this with your friends, or you can basically share it on your Snapchat story. Yourself, and there you go guys, that is how to create yourself as a futuristic 60s trend video on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.